exciting day up at the gold mine today. Jason decided to bring up his hammer mill, which is a really cool machine that turns big rocks into little rocks and then runs them over a sluice. He brought it up because he's making a video over on his channel giving a demo on how to use it. And also I've just been really excited to test out some samples from the piss ditch, which is a technical term for the creek that runs alongside the rail. I've just been thinking about all of the decades and decades of use in this mine, all of the gold kind of settling down into that creek. But here's some videos of us bagging up that muck and then sending it down the raise, getting it into the cart, and then carting it out to the hammer mill. We've been making a lot of improvements on our system for getting bags of ore out of the stope, down the different carts, down the raises, and eventually out of the blacksmith shop and into trucks. I'll show you guys some of that optimization process in later videos. Also, shout out to Gary. He's one of my first followers here on TikTok, and he left a comment on one of my videos a couple days ago asking a bunch of great questions. I look forward to answering them as soon as I can. Really just about, our process, the permitting, the overhead, the blah, 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 all of the details of the mine that I would love to chat about and answer on this channel. So thank you, Gary. Here we are loading up the sluice box and taking it back to camp. Camp is about 1.5 miles, maybe 2 miles away from the actual mine itself. This is where a lot of the content on this channel has been filmed so far of me learning how to gold pan and using that spiral gold machine thing. Here's Jason panning the final bucket of concentrates. Fun fact about this whole process is the hammer mill that we were using was previously used by another client of his to crush up motherboards, computer chips, cell phones, and actually reclaim the gold out of those units. So there's all types of copper and lead and all sorts of other things in here, as you can see, which made it kind of a pain to separate out the gold. But still, not bad for just a couple of bags of muck.